Hey guys, right, now actually, I have my mom's laptop, and today, she wanted upgrades, and so I told her my best option here is to get some new hardware. And better yet, I did. Remember this Western on my digital hard drive on my main channel? Well, hope this doesn't even go away, but this time it's only 500 gigs instead of like a whole terabyte. So, yeah. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do the same exact thing that I previously did with my desktop, but this time with my mom's laptop. So technically, this is her late birthday gift right here from the future IT guy itself, which it's me. So, yeah. So with this screw right here, I grabbed a flathead, right? And then all of a sudden, I've held some tugs here and there, and I'm like, come on, man, this screw has so much potential. And then all of a sudden, it turns. It turns. All right. First off, let's see if the camera can focus here. Thank you. Let's see how I can take off the helmet of this beast. If I can, or I don't know how. Alright, hang on. Alright, before I unveil its insides, I take this out first. It's a portable DVD drive. Small SATA ports. Cool. So, I don't know if I have to do anything here, but yeah, those are the SATA ports. That okay popped out. By popped, I mean I screwed it out. Screw like all the cases. Okay. And another step I missed is this. Fuck. That ripped off. But there is screws hidden underneath here that I overlooked. So, yeah, we'll wait. Alright. Since there's like no door or anything, you have to remove the entire back panel to do it. That's right, the whole entire back panel. Which it's... Hang on, if it can come off now. I mean, I don't see any other screws or some to... Yeah, I tried to pry it open at the USB ports. Which I'm going to go ahead and try that again. Oh shit, dude. I can barely... Hang on a second, Discord's texting me right now. Alright guys, it came off. Alright, so, you get out of here, bugs. Holy shit. Anywho, now we got this fully apart. Let's get the fuck out of here. Hey, where are you going? Come here. God damn, I need some bug repellent in here. I need a fan. And, yeah, I don't know where the processor is. F. There's the CMOS battery, though, right there. And by the looks of it, so far it just holds this one stick of RAM, and that's about it there. And two support screws, not a problem. I'll just go ahead and remove it. Remove it. Come on. All right. When it out, flathead it out. What the fuck? Trying not to strip the screw in the process. And this requires both hands here. Fuck. I need a tripod. I legit need a tripod to face it. It's so hard to open. Yeah, oh my god. Even with a friggin' regular star head, it's hard to open. Well, luckily my mom gave me a different sizes to try out. This one looks like a pen. I don't know how to get this open, but who cares? So there's a screw right here that I currently have. I actually screwed it out of there, but take a wild guess of which screwdriver I used. Even though I tried to use this cutie by height, but actually I used this one, the star head. And look, come out. Here we are. Oh, this is ironic. Take a look at the hard drive's name. A Western Digital Mechanical. And look what I ordered for my mom. A Western Digital solid state drive. This is ironic. Bro, do you see this shit or what, bro? It's just... But question though. Does the SSD fit? I cannot have... Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. There's some tape here. Damn! I mean, seriously though, this is like the most bizarre thing I've like ever seen low-key this year. Western Digital Mechanical Drive, 500 gigs. Western Digital Solid State Drive, 500 gigs. Seems perfect. Seems dead-ass perfect if my mom wants to keep the storage amount the same. And, yeah. But we're gonna see if it actually fits in there. It can, if it would. Whoa. Maybe I have to even use the mounters. Yep, the mounter right here. This is the mounter that the laptop uses. I mean, hang on, I'll try to remove that. In the meantime, I'm gonna figure out how to remove this RAM stick that contains 8 gigs. Well, 4 gigs. Oh! That was easy. That's 4 gigs, by the way. This in here contains 8 gigs. So, module upgrade, 8 gigs. It's a new model, by the way. So, yeah. Ordered it 2 days ago on Amazon. Almost $100. Well, it was over $100 due to tax, but hey, at least I got it. I mean, if this contains like about SATA 3, I'll be impressed. Flopped on the middle. Alright. As you can see right here, this is 2 slots of RAM sandwiched together. Also, just a quick comparison so far. These RAM sticks are both DDR4. I mean, yeah. These are both DDR4 RAM sticks. Yep, DDR4 2400. I don't know if this cheap branded Samsung one has the yep, right here. 2,666 volts. That's DDR4 technically, and same as this. So the main question is, can it fit in the laptop? Like, and that answer is yes. Alright, we're gonna go and put this in the spare parts. That damn thing again. It's alright. There's this bugs that crawl into very compact spaces. So, yeah. My question is, where are we going to put that extra 4 gigs of RAM? In here. Like any other day, it'll be compact in here, like without a problem. Alright, we are halfway. I'm done with this upgrade. Now, the hardest part. Migrating the OS. Now, on my main channel, you guys may remember I did the same exact thing. So now we're going to go in and do it again. So, yeah, let's do it. Also, guys, same SSD I got, but this is a terabyte. This is 500 gigs. And this is also 500 gigs. So, yeah. Instagram shot. Right. And the upgrade process is, well, the installation process with the SSD. It's not hard at all. Sorry about my leg here. That's low key in the way. Hang on, I'll try to scooch it up just a tad bit more, and you'll get a front row seat. Alright. Alright. Okay. That's it. Now the mechanical hard disk. I mean, hell, it does work on the desktop SATA. So, yeah, we might as well go ahead and do it this way. Alright. And crap, I actually did it while the motherboard's plugged in. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, fair rule. Never do it while the never do this while the motherboard is hot. Alright, time to clean up this area right here. Same process as before, guys. Before I moved locations. Also, Mom, I hope this does not blue screen your laptop, because by the time I did it with this, yeah, it was a bit of a complicated turn at first, but then I think I fixed it to the point that it won't blue screen as often. So yeah, that's through the BIOS, by the way. That's just through the BIOS. Alright, now it's gonna work. So, Mom, this is technically your late birthday gift, I guess. Done by a future IT admin. I don't know why that launched that out of nowhere, but let's do it. Am I just being impatient here or what? Oh my god. Yeah, I am being impatient. Wow, I almost just not realized. But anyways, catch you what? Yeah. So we're going into disk part. List the disk, as you can see right here. GPT partition. Yeah, this is on a UEFI standard. So if that's going to be on a UEFI, then the SSD might have to be on a UEFI standard in order of the copying process can take. So we're going to exit. We're going to exit. Has this launched yet? I mean, RAID drivers, I don't even. I went on this, bro. Come on, man. I have to reboot the PC. I have to reboot this. Don't I? Yep. Even though I could have did this with something that has like a bit more read and write speed. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the multi-card reader that my mom got me from Walmart here. As you can see, it takes hang on. It takes USB to micro USB, micro SD and SD, and USB Type C. And I'll kind of show you here how it works. So you guys can see this, right? Like, hang on. Let me see if I can do this like with one hand. If I can. Hang on. Yeah. It just comes down like this, and you can use this on your Android phone or Isn't that cool? And yet, in a part of that, you can use it on Type C. Yep, USB Type C right here. And it's on a semicircle as well, so yeah. Oh, it's done booting, cool. Okay, we're just gonna wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Finally. All right. It's been 5 minutes since I've used this. So we're gonna go ahead and hang on. Copy disk wizard. On this page, you can choose the disk that you like to copy. I mean, I've noticed that the hard disk names are the same exact. Copy this into this. I mean, that's the SSD, by the way. Master. Hold up. Initialize to GPT partition. Alright. We're going to go ahead and do this again. Copy this disk to this disk. Change the selected partition. Oh shit, I accidentally kicked the computer. Well, bumped it. Windows recovery. On this page, you can review the changes you have been made. Change selected partition. Well, let's hope that can happen. Oh, that was quick. Oh, I haven't clicked on apply yet. Oh man. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and review our stats here. So the E system, that's the FAT32 system. Alright, this is the NTF. These are NTFS partitions. And so are those. So, alright. These look pretty much all good to go. Let's click on apply and do it. And also, let's hope it can copy it pretty well, because yeah, I don't want to mess up this hard drive, you know. But you know, I'll check up with this later. The upgrading process is going pretty good. I think I found the processor. Alright. All data has been copied to the SSD. So, Windows recovery. I hope that's it. Windows RE. Yeah, those are its recovery tools, by the way. So that right there, guys, is my mom's late birthday gift. So yeah, now it's time to take the SSD and put it in the laptop for a test. And that's what the SSD looks like in the laptop. I cannot take out the mounter because it is felt like it's permanently screwed. I tried this, a star head, and I even tried a flathead, and guess what? No dice. So yeah, I might as well just go ahead and I'll put the back panel back together along with the optical drive, and we'll be good to go. After I turn it over and insert it that way. That way my mom will be pleased today. Alright. Clipping it all on. Alright, and yeah. I thought this only had like 4. Well, guess what? This damn thing has 8. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This screw right here holds in the optical drive, which I will go ahead and insert back in just a second. Slide it in like that. And now you're good to insert it. Well, screw it in, that is. And of course, I have to deal with, well, it's optional doing it with a flathead. So screw it in like this. Now it's in. Alright. I cannot wait to see the results. So, remember this damn thing had 8 screws? I stand incorrected. It has 10. Alright, I'm going through its UEFI right now. Just make sure it detects it. Alright, this is the SSD I inserted. We're gonna go back. The memory, 8 gigs. So I knew it has DDR4, and the system in total. I mean, this has a Intel Pentium Silver. I never heard about those processors that much. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna go and check with the UEFI. And it's booting. It's booting Windows, guys. I did it. So yeah, that's nice. Hey, is it gonna work? HP logo too on my black screen. Oh my god. Hell yeah, brother. Well, exact copy from this hard disk to the SSD. It went successful, Commander. Alright, I'm gonna tell my mom that I'm finished. I'm gonna tell my mom that I'm finished with this. Hold on, is she connected to any networks? We must see and find out. There's mine, by the way. Like, I'm serious. I made this network through that router. It's a Netgear router. I gotta make sure that this is fully closed and contained. Connect automatically. I mean, with my laptop, I use that option with this network. But then, you know it works. There's a chime. There's another chime. So, I might as well give this back to her. That's the wrong way. Hang on. Alright. Okay, there it goes. Give it a little bit. Instantaneous. Instantaneous, I tell you. There's a DVD inside of here. Yeah, there's a DVD inside of here. Well, guys, that concludes the upgrade. Hang on. You are very astonished of how fast the programs can open, so...
And it's shut down already.
Well...
I'm happy with it.
Guess what, Mom? Happy late... That is a late birthday gift to you.
You fixed my computer. Thank you.
Yep. All in a day's work by a future IT admin. This is why I love SSDs. Oh my god. Even though this is mine, but still, man. See ya.